I bought this metric set of Forstner bits from Amazon and they came in these boxes, but I want to make a nice drill index where they're easy to reach, and I figured 2 rows like that would be most space saving. And I like this spacing, so I'll just mark it on a piece of paper. I want to make the back row of drills a little bit taller, and I think this kind of profile would be about right. Well, I think this looks about right. Gives me a bit of room for the front and the back. I think I can make this out of one short piece of 2x4 if I cut this part off and then just glue it on top of here to make the step. While the glue dries, I checked the shank sizes, and they're 8.2 millimeters for 3 of them, 7.8 and 7 millimeters. Odd sizes, but they aren't anything even in inches either. Need these holes a little bit deeper. Some of these holes are a little bit tight, so I have to go over them with the drill again. I was just checking my workshop time-lapse camera, and each of these little hashes here represents 3 minutes of time, and I was actually in the workshop for 1 hour and 45 minutes total, including varnishing and filming. So some of these shop projects can take a surprising amount of time.